good. Action.
Don't make me laugh. Grateful gang. Hey y'all, we are back. We're about to do another unboxing. You know what time it is, what time of the month it is. Y'all, I'm excited about this one because we got some color, finally. Alright y'all, let's get right to it, okay? So, what y'all think it is this time? I'm excited. Look, y'all, I wasn't supposed to do this one. It's time to quit buying retail bags, y'all. But y'all can already tell what I got. Now this one is factory wrapped. So we got some work to do, okay? I hate that I'm opening it up on this side. I want you to see the real deal, like the real side of it. There you go. Ooh. Y'all see that? $6.25. I thought it was $6.95. So $6.25 for this one. After taxes, I believe I ended up paying $6.71. Y'all, I'm paying for this with my own coin. Now, if I can find one of my daddy's, no, I'm just playing. But hold on, guys. Let me go ahead and get everything taken apart. It's gonna, like I said, we got some work to do. But, I mean, this bag is completely apart. And I didn't even realize that you could, like, take the bag, like, loosen it up like this way. And take one side of the strap off. You can't take the other side off, though, which is crazy. But it's not crazy because you know why they do that? So you can just make it a strap like this without the extra. That's exactly what that's for. I'm here for it. But of course I'm gonna use the whole strap. Okay, y'all, so I'm showing you how to put, like I said, you can do this on this side with just this strap. Or you can use, and it can go all the way down to here. That's little though. We're gonna get it all together as soon as I get everything open. I promise you. Okay, let me just get all this stuff up out of here because y'all be wanting me to unbox fast, okay? I got you. I'm ready. I'm excited though. I'm ready to get rid of this stuff. But y'all, I keep this so that I can keep my keep everything like looking decent on my display shelf. Especially when I get my new house, I'm gonna have a nice display shelf. Now I can get rid of this former though, that's not needed. But y'all, I do want you to see if it collapses or not, or whatnot. I don't know, but let's go ahead and get into what's in the actual bag, okay? All right, so here we go. I mean, they take this thing down, okay? Like, they was not playing any games with the hardware. They was like, we're gonna make sure it is 100% protected, right? I love that. All right, so I think I got everything. Nope. Our kiss locks are still protected. Well, they wasn't playing, they was ready. All right. Got that one, almost. Oh, it's kind of sticky. Sticky, yicky. Maybe I need to open it. That's what it is. Open the dang on thing so you can get it up out of there. And then they even got a little child. They playing too many games. Okay, that's how we good. Let's get this side with my hang tags. Y'all know I'm gonna go into the actual Coach store and get me a bigger hang tag, possibly. I'm not sure. All right, and I can't open it without getting at least one off. There we go. And here's the other one. I mean, they put that on there. All right, done with that side. This is where it's getting complicated because who told y'all to put this all over the dang on bag? Okay, here we go. That's all. Awesome. We have some more action in the front. I mean, they really like, we gonna protect this bag at all costs, okay? All right, so we good. Y'all, I unboxed it. I did good, right? I went pretty fast, right? Let me throw all this away though. All right, guys, so here we go. Here's the actual bag. This is me not doing anything to it. It stays pretty structured like this. I don't know after time if this is gonna collapse in or not, but I can imagine I'm definitely gonna have like a organizer in there. They have organizers this size, so definitely gonna have me an organizer in there. Now, let's go back to how this goes. All right, so first and foremost, I'll put the turn locks on, and I'm gonna show you this strap size, which is awesome. All right, not too hard to really deal with. I don't like how, I feel like this buckle needs to be just a tad bit longer. This buckle thing, just a little bit longer, because it just popped right back open on me. But it still gives shoulder, right? This is the cutest red bag I ever saw. I promise you. Listen, I have a tote that's dope and everything. It's Michael Kors, but it's something about this shoulder bag that I absolutely adore. All right, let's put the bigger strap on though. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't know how I'm gonna decorate this bag up, y'all. I'm gonna have to look. It's a girl named Jennifer on TikTok. When I say I look to her for all ideas, because I do not know how to decorate up a bag. It's kind of like how I am with interior decorating. I will make things look tacky, okay? I'll put a whole kitchen stove hanging out the side of it for no reason. All right, I want to see how this looks and see if it's gonna give me some crossbody action, okay? Because one thing about your girl is they don't always make everything for my size, which we're gonna work on them. We're gonna work on them without getting nobody, like offending nobody. But I'm definitely gonna start sending letters and stuff. Now I'm probably gonna have to show you a whole, oh, well, look at that. No, y'all, it's time for double denim. You already know. I got me a little blue button-up denim shirt. I got me some tight blue jeans, y'all. I got me some red shoes. We about to pull somebody granddaddy. And I promise you, I'm too happy that it actually, I just was saying it ain't gonna crossbody, right? Yes, it did. It did exactly what it was supposed to be doing. I love it. Y'all, I'm about to get into the details of this bag, but let me give you a real quick spin. I don't like that I have to put my hand in to close it though. Let me see, am I tripping? Do I even have to do that? Or am I just doing the most? Let's see. I feel like I gotta bend it all up. I don't like that because it seems like it's gonna make my bag all creasy. But I know somebody gonna be in the comments letting me know you don't even have to do all that. Let me know, y'all. Go ahead, I'm listening. Let me know, because I don't want to bend the bag up just to get in there and close it. Oh, y'all, this bag seems like it's gonna wear. Does anybody have like maybe an old school haversack or something that can tell me whether it was a good buy or not? Y'all, I got less than 30 days because I will return it and back. I don't even think I won't. But I'm about to show you up close and personal exactly what I'm talking about. As far as like what I'm seeing on my end, it looks a little bit wrinkly. Now y'all know I love me some Coach, but I will let y'all know what's the tea for real, because what we not doing is just selling anything because we can do that. All right, let me show you up and close and personal exactly what I'm talking about, y'all. Let me get my Ray-Bans. Okay, y'all, so this red Coach Haversack is extremely gorgeous to me, y'all. Now I know I mentioned something about the crinkliness. It just looked washed to me, like it was loved or something, but it looks just fine. I think this bag is gonna hold up completely fine. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I love a good red bag because it can make a whole outfit pop, okay? But then when you add Kiss Lock to it, y'all know Kiss Lock and the brass like hardware it's over for me. You throw that on a bag, I gotta have it. You know what I'm saying? And then for it to be coached with these nice buckles and just all the hardware that's just extremely extra is what the doctor called for. Like, I definitely love stuff like this. Just the extraness of a bag. There is no need for this on the side of the bag. There's none. But I'm here for it, okay? I need this in my life. I don't even know why I need it. I couldn't tell you what I'm going to put in the side of that. You know what? Maybe the tag that came off of the bag is what I'll put in there, because what is that for? But it's just everything that they did it. And then the turn lock and the adjustable belt, how you can carry it as a crossbody. Y'all, I carried this as a crossbody and wore it in the mall just to see if I was going to be able to handle it. I did handle it. Of course, I don't like to carry a bag in the mall. To be honest with you, I like to carry a fanny pack in the mall. I have a best one, but this bag is everything. I carried it in the mall. I have been carrying it for quite some time. It's fine. There's nothing going on with this bag. It is definitely a beautiful bag. Now, this one is actually like a re-edition from 2009. So it has like a classic Coach look without feeling dated too. Then the color don't make it half bad. Now, y'all know they have these in different colors as well. They have them in black. They have it in suede. They have it in brown. I don't know if you can find this one on Coach, but I will definitely leave the link in the description for this one at Dillard's, y'all, because Dillard's still have this. It might be at Macy's too. I don't know anywhere else, but I will definitely tag it in the description. If I can get it in the QR code on the screen, I most definitely will. But look for it in both places, because I'm not for sure where it will be at, okay? But y'all, I love this bag. It's made with natural grain leather, and the 2 turn lock pockets, man, right here up here in the front, y'all, that is another little just silly detail that just wasn't necessary, but I'm here for it. I need it. I have it. I have to have it, and I love it. Now, I still have not gotten my tags tagged yet. You know how they put the little gold foil on it? I have not gotten that done. I haven't been back into the Coach store. I think that my next visit, I probably will. My next visit ain't gonna be till like September, whenever the new bags come out. So as a matter of fact, I'm gonna make it a date. I'm gonna carry my bag in for them to stamp my bag on launch day of the new bag, which should be on a Wednesday, I believe. But y'all, I got to have it. I got to have that. I don't know if they'll let me buy a bigger tag for the bag, but like I said, I can't do too much decorating on this one, because like, why would you even do any more with this bag? I'm gonna have to look up and see what people are doing with it, because I can't think of nothing to do other than a scarf. The actual handle is really large, so what scarf you wrapping around that? I don't know what to do. Maybe on the gold hardware you can hang something on the buckle. I don't know. I just love this bag. It is super, super adorable, y'all. Plus, it's got kiss locks on the sides. Yes. And don't let the size fool you, y'all, because this bag is compact, but it's roomy. I got so much stuff in this bag. I went ahead and ended up doing an organizer so everything will stand up for me, but this one is definitely roomy. Do not think that it's not. I love the feet at the bottom so that it will stand up, not on the leather. But y'all see how it looks like it's washed a little bit on that? That's what had concerned me. But no, it's fine. It's not doing anything. I don't know what it'll do 10 years from now, but let's be honest. The last one was in 2009 and I ain't heard no complaints about it. So I don't know. But y'all, it fits iPads and stuff like that too. So I didn't know whether that's something that you were concerned with. It does fit a lot in this bag. I'm more so like just a bottle of lotion, a couple of cases of glasses, my wallet, and my keys, you know, and that's it pretty much. Maybe a couple of lip glosses that I have in a small package, but I could put my lipstick in these pockets for sure. But y'all, that adjustable strap, the way it crossbodies on me, I was so happy that it actually fits really, really well. I haven't even worn it as a shoulder strap yet. I wear it as a crossbody. It's a little big for a crossbody, but it's everything, y'all. But I thank you so much. Tell me what you think about the Haversack. Tell me if you got one or if you plan on getting one. Go ahead and tap the link if you're ready to get one now, y'all. All right, bye.